Hello, beautiful people. I am Marcelo Bohrer, a co-founder and head of strategy and product design of Ootopia, and I'm here today to present you the V2 of Ootopia app, the new version that we have created. And I'm very excited to do that because this is a fantastic evolution of the beta version. So over the last 6 months, the first semester of 2022, we have been testing the beta version among our community and collecting as much feedback, ideas, insights, criticism, and inspiration in order to evolve the application. We have also been studying other applications that have similar features to take the best of each application and evolve Ootopia app. So here I'm going to present what is cool about this new version. If you're new in this project, let me tell you that Ootopia is a portal to access a new world that is flourishing, a new healthy, abundant, and sustainable world. Of course, you know that we are living in a severe crisis in many levels, an economic level and a social level, but especially on the environmental level. And there's a lot of people working to change the way that we treat this world. And Ootopia, it's a super tool to foster this transition. It's a tool that allows us to collaborate, to get inspired, to learn, to co-create, and to act to make this world a better place for everyone. So let me show you what is cool about this new version of the application. We managed to create a single interface that connects all the features that the app has to offer, so you can access all the levels of the regenerative movement. When you open the application, you start with this geolocation interface. It looks like Google Maps, so you, as other geolocation interface, you can navigate through the map. You can zoom out and see your neighborhood, your city, your country, even the entire world, and see all the content that is spread all over the world. Using the other filters at the top, you can access the other levels of information. But we start with people because we want to explore the concept of locality, which is the combination of global and local. So if you zoom out, you can access solutions, information, and inspiration from all over the world, but we always start from the point where you live, because this local is where you have more power to create a positive impact. It's here that you know the problems, that you know a lot of people, that you can connect directly with these people. So when you open the application, you see yourself at the middle, and you see all the other people who are already taking part in Ootopia ecosystem. And what is this green hearts? This is another cool feature called the matchmaking. It's an algorithm that filters the content and presents to you the people, the organizations, the actions, all the different levels of information, the application that have more connection with you. They are more aligned with your desires, with your taste, with the things that you really appreciate and value. So, for instance, if I want to learn more about this girl that the application is presenting with 3 green hearts, I just have to click on her picture, and this blue bar at the bottom is going to expand, and I can see here her name. I can start a chat with her. I can add her to my friend circles. I can share her profile. I can like. I can see what she has to offer to the community and what she's looking for. So perhaps I can help Barbara, or Barbara can help me. I can see a short description, and below I can see all the recent activity of Barbara, her publications, the circles that she's taking part or she created, the actions that she's taking part, the lessons that she recently watched. So probably she recently learned how to make bread, and if I'm interested on learning how to make bread, I just have to click here and I'm gonna jump directly to this lesson, and I can see the offers that she's offering at the marketplace. The same applies for the other levels of information that I can find here, the map. So we start with people, but if I go to the third filter here, organizations, I'm gonna see on the map everything that is not a single individual. It can be an institution, an NGO, a foundation, a restaurant, everything that is related with this regenerative universe that is taking part of Ootopia ecosystem, I can find here using this filter. And of course, if I click at the image, if I expand the bar, I'm going to find more information about this organization. If I go to the next filter, actions, here, I'm going to find on the map pins that shows every single event and action that is taking place. Of course, I can use the searching tool to see the ones that is going to happen like today or tomorrow. I can filter from content. I can join. If let's see, I click in this event here, the bar is going to show me more details. I can join the event. I can start talking, chatting with the people who are already involved. And of course, I can create my own event. If I go to the next filter, circles, I'm going to see on the map the talking circles, which are the forums. There are conversation groups, talking groups, where people are discussing on specific topics. So I can create a group about composting, about beekeeping, about making organic soap. And then people taking part of this group are going to exchange ideas, informations, and going to deepen their knowledge about this topic. And if I go to the next filter, market, here, I'm going to access the marketplace. Let me jump one more screen so you can see the ethical marketplace is where you can find offers of sustainable products and services that can be purchased using the currency good. Let me return one page and present you the social media channel, which is like any other social media where you can post pictures and videos, you can write a description, you can add hashtags, you can comment, share, and you can donate some of your credits in us for the person who create a publication that make you more inspired, from who you have learned something. So I can drag this little bar to the right, and I can choose the amount of US currency that I'm going to give as a gratitude reward. This is the name of this bar that goes below the publication. So this is our social media channel. If I click here on the left side at the bottom lessons, I'm going to find the learning the learning page of Ootopia app, where I can find short videos about different topics related to sustainability, regeneration, being healthier, well-being, whatever. And I can deepen my knowledge by watching the lessons and responding to quizzes. On the right, you're going to find this button, which is the shortcut for the chat, where I can find my private conversation with people. And here on profile, of course, I can access my own profile and my personal information, my group of friends, my publications, my actions, whatever. And I also can have access to my credits on the US currency. If I click here, I'm going to open my wallet and I'm going to see all my incomes and my expenses with the US currency. You must be wondering how you can earn US. It's just by creating valuable content for the Ootopia ecosystem. So if you create here at the top right, at the bottom create, you can create a publication, you can create an action, a talk circle, an offer, and a video lesson. And for every content that you bring to the ecosystem, you're going to earn a reward in the US currency, and this goes straight to your digital wallet. If I go to the searching tool here, I can search within the app about all the levels of information. So I'm gonna type, for instance, organic soap, and I'm gonna click search. And here I can find the results on every different level of content of the application. So this is a tool for convergence, where I can find different levels of information in a very easy way. So I can see all the profiles that are related somehow to organic soap, all the publications, the circles where people are talking about this topic, the actions, probably gonna find some lesson that's going to teach me how to make organic soap, and obviously I'm gonna find some offer where I can actually buy organic soap using my credits with the OS currency. And if I click in this button on the left, this is the shortcut for Top Connections, our matchmaking tool, where again I can find in every level of information of the app the best connections, the connections that have more similarity with me, from who I can learn more. It can be like profiles of people, publications, circles, actions, lessons, and offers. I have also to tell you about the revenue streams of Ootopia. This is very important because we stand for higher ethical values. We respect transparency and the data of the users. So in order to maintain the Ootopia application free for everyone, we created these two revenue streams. It's not like Facebook, Instagram, or Google that offer the application for free, but on your back they are using your data to sell to other companies. We respect your personal data. So in order to maintain Ootopia app free for everyone, you can choose to be a conscious member, so you collaborate a little every month to maintain the application running and free. Or if you are an organization, a company, or even a person who wants to promote your event, your talking circle, or whatever, you can invest some money to highlight this content. For example, here at the top of the regenerative map, you can see there's an action highlighted that is going to take place soon, so I can join this event very easily. And last but not least, I want to tell you about our collaboration and partnership with Threefold. Threefold is a new decentralized internet that makes the internet much more reliable, sustainable, and secure. And this is made because with this system, every single person can own their own data. Instead of how the internet works today, which is very centralized on the hands of a very few companies like Google, Microsoft, and Apple, which have like big data centers where all our data is stored. With Threefold, the information is spread all over the grid, so it makes much more sustainable and resilient and secure. And with that, we can expand the access of Ootopia app for in places where there's no internet today, giving the opportunity to more people to take part in this ecosystem and be a change maker and helping to lead the transition to a better world. And this, my friends, is the new version of Ootopia app, which we are about to develop because we want to offer this to the world as soon as possible. And for doing so, we are seeking for impact investors that want to take part in this project. Again, Ootopia is an open source project that is open for collaboration. So if you want to co-create Ootopia with us, you are very welcome. I hope that you like it. If you are interested to learn more, get in contact. Go to the social medias to learn more about what we are doing and get in contact to get involved. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon in the Ootopia app. Bye bye.